Square for Retail streamlines your business, so your sales, inventory, purchase orders, customer directory, and reports are integrated. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter your 4-digit passcode, allowing both you and your employees to access the app with customizable permissions. By default, when you open the app, you'll be placed in the checkout cart. The app is designed to make the checkout experience as quick as possible. When a customer wants to check out, you can add items to your cart in multiple ways. First, you're able to put the most popular items from the checkout view. You can also scroll through your item list, search your items by item name or SKU, or lastly, you can scan an item barcode. Once your item is in the cart, you can view the full item name and SKU to verify you've added the right items. Also, with Square for Retail, you can scan existing barcodes or use barcodes and labels you print from your online Square dashboard. You can also add customers to the cart. Either select an existing customer or create a new customer on the spot. You can add their contact information, add them to a group, or even add information like their birthday to send them special offers to build your relationship. When you start to build a cart, you also have the option to save the cart to complete the transaction at a later time. In addition to the easy-to-use checkout flow, the Square for Retail app also has robust inventory features. You can see the current stock level for an item across multiple locations, adjust your stock, or even accept purchase orders directly from the app. While the standard Square account has a ton of features to help you run your business, Square for Retail has an entirely unique set of tools designed specifically for retail sellers. To get started, head to Items Online. Since managing inventory is key for running a retail business, just make sure you've enabled inventory tracking for your items. Next, you can view the retail-specific tab, Inventory Management. The History tab reflects each inventory adjustment. You can use the filters to view adjustments at a specific location or for specific time frames, or even filter by adjustment type or vendor. You can also drill down to see where the adjustment originated. Purchase orders help you maintain your item stock. When you create a purchase order, you can enter the vendor and location details, and then add the applicable items by either searching your library or creating new items on the spot. Next, you can create and manage your vendor list, as well as view and maintain a vendor-specific item library. Lastly, Square for Retail offers 3 powerful reporting tools geared specifically for retail businesses. Once you add the item cost, you can view cost of goods sold, revenue, profit, and profit margin. The cost of goods sold report is built on the FIFO method, or first in and first out. So if you later adjust the associated unit cost for an item you sold, or mark an item is missing or damaged, the report will automatically update to show the average margin. The projected profit report shows the potential value of your entire stock. And lastly, the inventory by category report helps you determine which categories are performing best. To learn more about how to get the most out of Square for Retail, head to square.com/help and search Square for Retail.